Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. This DLL file is a DirectX 11 auxiliary library. It provides high-performance graphics tools for texture processing, geometry shaders, and math utilities, enabling games to utilize the advanced visual features of the DX11 rendering engine. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The DirectX 11 Update 43 DLL is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the DirectX 11 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Remember that the DirectX 11 Update 43 DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning the DirectX 11 related issues. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix DirectX End-User Runtime. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.